Okay.
We're exhausted.
We're tired. We are exhausted. So tell everybody what we did today.
We've done a lot, and we did a lot of filming too, and I'm so excited for this, but Linda so kindly helped us space and plan and prune all of the new lovely plants that we got in, and so we're so excited to show you all what we've done.
Yeah, and a huge shout out to Southern Living Plant Collection, thank you. But bottom line is we are tired right now, and we want to kind of sit and enjoy the mountain air and enjoy Goose, and she is actually pregnant after all, and if anybody deserves to rest, she does. So we will show you the full-length video tomorrow, I believe.
Yep.
We have to get the stuff to Stuart so he can edit it. It's been pretty informal.
Yeah, very informal.
Yeah, very
all
informal.
over the place, but I think it's going to be good.
Yeah, Jamie has shot some of this.
Jamie's been in it. He's been in it a lot.
Jamie has been in it. You'll notice most of the, I would say in 99% of the video, of the footage he's been in, he's rolling his eyes at his mother.
There's been some great banter. I can't wait for you all to see all the banter between mom and son.
Yeah, and part of it is also because we are too much alike, even though he would not like to admit it. But we are too much alike, but it works nevertheless, and the end result hopefully will prove the point. So that's just what's going on. So in other words, we're too tired to talk because
we've been going 90 to nothing since 7 a.m.
Yeah, since early this morning. You are in the deep throes of what, Mom?
I'm definitely nesting. Because if those of you who've been following Mountain Millennials, my new little channel on Instagram, I have been going. I don't know what happened. I think I woke up on the day of my second trimester and was like, let's do this.
Yeah.
I have so much energy, so we'll see if it lasts. But it's been fun.
But it's been fun, and I mean, even though we're also exhausted, we're tired and everything, but she is still going to go in there and she's going to cook us chicken piccata because she finds it relaxing and I find it not relaxing.
I still have to host.
I still have to be the hostess with the mostest, just like Pearl Mesta. So that's what's going on here. We will get the information and everything up to you tomorrow with all of the footage. Again, pretty much informal because we just did what we could while we were working. Jamie is over there pretending like he's snoozing because we are going on and on. But, you know, he can be over us, but we can kind of be over him too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can be over him
Thank you
too.
for being a steward this weekend, I will say.
Yes, thank you for being a steward. Stuart will be doing the editing. Last thing, please make sure to follow Mountain Millennials because you guys have really been having some fun with all
hosting, cooking, new gardening things, and actually Jamie's been a comedic relief too because it's been funny to watch him.
And I thought he was the creative coordinator.
He is the creative director.
So anyhow, it's been fun, but it's also, I think, been especially fun. So hey, new gardeners, hey, new not homesteaders, hey, new soon-to-be parents, setting up household. This is what her channel is all about, with style, with grace, with humor, and with a lot of extra energy right now.
Yes, lots of extra energy.
Okay, so till tomorrow, take care.